Hi everybody, it's Stephanie. This week is my second dessert. This week I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm going to film a little snippet every day throughout the week about how I'm feeling, just overall my happiness. I'm gonna be baking on Wednesday. It is Monday right now, so did I say Wednesday? I meant Friday. Sorry. So it's Monday right now, and I'm just gonna talk about my little snippet of how I'm doing. I'm pretty excited to bake. I had a really good success for the banana bread last week, so I'm excited to see the blueberry crumb cake. So I'm excited today, and I'll see you Tuesday. Hi everybody, it's Tuesday, which is super exciting. I had a pretty rough day today. I literally can't hold the camera apparently. But I didn't have a great day today. But hopefully baking on Friday will relieve some of that stress from this week. So I'm excited still. I'll see you Wednesday. Hi everybody, it's just before bed. About to go to bed, and I forgot to film midday how I'm feeling. But I'm tired. But hopefully that baking will make me not as tired, but I'm not sure. Still excited, and I'm ready to bake. I'll see you guys Thursday. Hi guys, it's Thursday. It's the day before I'm baking, and I'm honestly so excited. I've never baked a cake before, so this should be really fun. And I guess I'll see you guys Friday. This is short, but I'm really excited today. I'm baking today. Oh my god, I really don't want to. I'm kind of struggling to motivate myself to go downstairs and actually start baking because I know it's gonna take 3 hours. But I'm really excited to do it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and I'll let you know how I did. And yeah, I'm super excited. It's Saturday. I'm really tired. My feet hurt from standing that long, which literally wasn't even that long. It was 3 hours. And I'm kind of sick, which is really cute too. I just don't really think baking is for me. It's fun to have a good result after, and that's enjoyable, but I just don't have enough time for this, honestly. It'd be a lot better to buy stuff. Just it's so much easier, and I'd rather do a lot of other things than baking. I'm more into video editing and stuff like that rather than baking. So it's kind of a good learning experience, I guess, for me, because I thought I'd like it a lot because a lot of my friends like it, and I guess it's just something that I don't really enjoy, and I think I'm fine with that. So I'll see you guys Sunday and give a little outro. Thank you. Hi everybody, it is Sunday and it is so cold. It's absolutely freezing. So I'm just here in a blanket, which is really nice. But yeah, I was kind of thinking about it more, and I have come to the conclusion that baking is just not something for me. But it's definitely for other people, and I suggest that everyone tries it. So thank you so much for watching this week, and I will see you guys next week for my final thing I'm baking. I'm baking macaroons. I'm pretty excited for that. I've baked it with friends before and it turned out pretty good, but I haven't tried it by myself, so we'll see. Thanks. Bye-bye.